Today in this video we're going to discuss about the importance of battery banks in the electrical substations. So let's talk about it without wasting much time. So the primary purpose of a battery bank in an electrical substations or in industries is to provide a reliable and uninterrupted DC power supply for critical systems, particularly during a main AC power outage. So this ensures the continued operation of essential protective and control equipment, which is vital for system safety, stability, and the prevention of large scale blackouts or equipment damage. So the main applications of battery banks are they provide the power for the protection system, and they support for the control and monitoring and emergency services, and it is very safe for shutdown and very safe for startup also, and this provide the stable DC source also. So this is the basic regarding the battery bank in the substations or in the industries.